All right, here we go. So how do you run multiple instances of MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4 on the same computer? This is very, very easy, guys. There are other videos on the subject, but I don't understand why they are so long and unnecessary complex when this is a very easy thing to do. So here we go. I have my VPS running, and I actually have 4 instances of MetaTrader 5 up, and they are all running different expert advisors that I am testing out currently. So I have these 4 different instances running on 4 different accounts. So what if I wanted to install a 5th account? So I do keep the MetaTrader 5 set right here on my desktop. So I am just going to install. But right away when I fire it up, I'm going to go to settings. And instead of putting MetaTrader where it normally goes, I'm just going to change the location. So each install gets its own location. So for me, I'm just doing it right off of the C drive. And then I will just right click and go new folder. And you can name these anything you want, whatever's logical for you. So this is my, I should have done like MetaTrader -1, 2, 3, 4, 5, whatever. It's all the same. And then once I have that, I say OK. And now I can install. So through the magic of editing, we will complete this install. OK, so there we go. We are finished. Click finish. It only takes a minute. And then the only other thing, like you don't have to do anything else. I think it's going to boot up automatically. There it is. There's the new instance. And then you can log in, etc. I'm going to do that later. The only other thing that I recommend is now if you want to start that instance, you have to navigate to that location. And so to make our lives easier, so I would double click on terminal 64 here, and that starts the program. So instead, I'm going to right click and I'm going to send to desktop, which you can see creates a shortcut. There it is. And I'm just going to move that over here and I'm going to rename it. So this is just for, like, you can do this any way you want, but this is just to keep it organized for me. So that's MT-4. So if I want to start up that instance, I could do that. Oh, I want to start up this instance, I can do that. If I want to run them all at the same time, I can do that. I mean, there's probably a limit for how many I can run, but I haven't figured out what that is yet. So now we can fire up our new one. And just to make sure it works, I'm going to fire up one of my original ones. Yep. So actually, let's see. Can we run all 5 at the same time? Pretty sure we can. I don't know why they're starting in these strange shapes. Yep, so that's my scalping strategy. And there is my range breakout trader. And then here's my new Bollinger Bands. All right, so I have all 5 of those running at the same time. And there's a new one. So now I'm all ready for my 5th account. How exciting.